y'all? It's your guy Paris. Today, as you can see, I'm gonna be unboxing my Cameo 4. I had this thing for like 4 or 5 months, man, just sitting around, but I'm getting to the point of where I need print cut more, so I'm gonna hook this up and see, because my Cameo 3 has never cut print cut. So I bought this, I don't know, October, November last year, and it's just been sitting around because I never needed it. But like I say, I need print cut a little more, so we're gonna see how that works out with this Cameo 4. Man, if you haven't already, man, Squad Creators Podcast. Man, we doing it Tuesdays, Saturdays. Me and my brother Mike Tees, man. The link is in the description. Man, we have some of the biggest guests in the industry, man. So y'all tap in with us on that Tuesdays and Saturdays. And I ain't gonna hold you no longer, man. I'm gonna get into this video. Oh yeah, like, comment, and subscribe.
Apparel, the dream in my eye. I'll be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.
You can see this, that Cameo 4. I bought this 4 or 5 months ago, and I'm just not opening it because my 3 works fine. The point where I really need that print cut, and my 3 never has done it. Cameo 4. Silhouette guide to the Cameo 4, getting started. Some other little stuff. Look like some freebies or something. The mask for the vinyl, sticker vinyl. And it came with a bunch of sticker vinyl. It looks like the mat. Already don't like this. This is thin. I'm glad I have extra ones. This is garbage Silhouette. The mat. So this is Oracal 650, Oracal 641 sticker vinyl. Freebie that came with it. Bunch more sticker vinyl. This one ain't got no name on the back though. Just don't say if it's Oracal or what. But that's what was supposed to come with it. Oh yes, Oracal. More sticker vinyl. I don't remember how many sheets it said came with it, but I think like 120 sheets, 130 sheets. So here's all the stuff, the needle, wires, paperwork, a couple things, I don't know what it is. Cable. All these are the housings, okay. The needle housing, the little wrench. Setup paperwork, Silhouette. Oh, I forgot it came with this. Forgot this stuff was supposed to be in here. Toolkit. Yeah, we're gonna put that to work. rhinestone pick-me-up stick, a little ruler, weeder. I don't know what this is, like a little cutter, I guess, a little razor cutter. Something else is in there. But yeah, y'all see that? I forgot that came with it. There's my plug. And last but not least, it's gonna be kind of hard to get out. With that Cameo 4. Only thing is, I ordered a black one, they send me a white one. Packaged up well. Okay. I wasn't expecting a difference, but I guess there is a little difference. A little different shape. There it is, the Cameo 4.
Apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.